Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and we have a little unboxing and sample footage from the new Canon EOS R7. This is a new camera in the Canon lineup that features a 32.5 megapixel sensor with built-in image stabilization. And I'm happy to report it does come with a separate battery charger. That's very nice. And this camera really does a great job with video. It has a minimal rolling shutter. I hardly noticed it whatsoever. And it's a brand new sensor. It's not like a repurposed sensor. It's a brand new sensor for this camera, which is really nice to see. A lot of camera manufacturers are rehashing old sensors into new cameras. But no, this one has a brand new sensor. And you can see here it comes with very minimal things, but it's very nicely made in Japan, by the way. And the camera feels a lot like the Canon R5C, same type of build quality and materials. I noticed from testing out the camera that it did a very good job. The viewfinder and the rear LCD were very sharp, bright, and clear. And you can see here, this is on the 100 to 400 RF lens, not a lens that you'd really want to shoot at night. But this camera, I set it to 25,600 ISO as the maximum. And I think here it's not quite that high, but it did a great job. It left everything else on just as it would come from the factory, other than shooting in 4K, 10-bit, and it does a great job. So here is the camera close up. You can take a look at it. And it does come with the new Canon battery that the R5C has, except on this camera, that battery lasts a long time. I was shooting with the camera for a few hours and it was still registering full. Over on this side, you have two SD card slots, which is really nice. And on this side, you have a mini HDMI jack, a USB-C for transferring your videos, but I didn't think you would take the SD card out. I don't think you'd ever use that. Also, it does have a microphone jack and it does have a headphone jack. And the main thing over this camera, over the R10, would be that this camera does have the built-in image stabilization, both a microphone jack and a headphone jack. On the R10, you only have a microphone jack. And the R10 is 24.2 megapixels. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.